I remember freezing in my pool last May after buying a cheap heater that barely worked. Choosing a heat pump is endlessly frustrating because manufacturer specs almost never match reality. The wrong choice will just cost you hundreds in wasted electricity. I tested the top models to find out which ones actually keep the water warm without draining your wallet. 7. Aquastrong Top Discharge Inverter. This one is best for pool owners who are on a strict budget and only need to extend their swimming season by a few weeks. Well, when I first unboxed the Aquastrong, I was cautiously optimistic about its tall and slim profile. It looks decent sitting on the concrete pad next to the filter. You naturally hope that the top discharge design will push the cold exhaust air straight up and away from your backyard seating area. Visually, it blends in okay with standard pool equipment. But the heating process is incredibly slow compared to what the manufacturer suggests on the box. I ran this unit for 3 days straight during a mild spring week, and the water temperature barely crept up a few degrees. It really struggles to pull ambient heat when the outside air drops below 60 degrees. You end up staring at the thermometer, wondering if the machine is actually doing anything at all. Inverter technology is generally supposed to be whisper quiet. This unit has a noticeable hum that vibrates right through the plastic casing. It is not necessarily deafening, but if you have your lawn chairs set up near the equipment pad, you're definitely going to hear it running all afternoon. The digital display also leaves a lot to be desired in terms of everyday usability. Trying to adjust the settings feels a bit clunky, and the screen is practically invisible if the sun is shining directly on it. The Warm Blue H5. This pump is best for above-ground pool owners who want a straightforward setup without spending a fortune. I brought the H5 in hoping it would be a hidden gem for smaller backyard setups. The installation was actually pretty simple, and I had it plumbed into my test pool in under an hour. It is fairly lightweight, which makes moving it into place an easy one-person job. The casing feels a bit like cheap plastic, but you expect some compromises at this price point. It does an okay job taking the edge off the water during peak afternoon hours, but as soon as evening hits, the heat transfer rate just falls off a cliff. I watched the energy meter and it was drawing a lot of power just to maintain the current temperature, let alone raise it. Well, the defrost cycle is another area where things get highly frustrating. When the coils freeze up in cooler weather, the unit has to stop heating the pool to thaw itself out. This model seems to freeze up constantly when the air hits 55 degrees. You basically lose hours of heating time every single day just waiting for the machine to unfreeze. The user interface on the side of the unit is also surprisingly confusing for such a basic machine. I had to pull out the manual 3 different times just to figure out how to lock the temperature in place. When you're paying for pool heating, you want to set it and forget it, not wrestle with confusing buttons every weekend. Varpoolfaye Pool Heater. This is best for tech lovers who want reliable heating tied to a really solid phone app schedule. I was genuinely curious about the Varpoolfaye because it promises a lot of smart features for a very reasonable price. Setting it up on my test pad was completely painless, and the overall build quality feels like a significant step up from the previous models. The metal housing feels sturdy, and the internal fan looks like it was built to last through heavy rain and harsh weather. The smart scheduling feature works exactly as advertised, which is surprisingly rare in this category. Having the ability to check the water temperature from the grocery store is unexpectedly nice. I could turn the heat up on my phone before heading home, and the water would be perfectly warm by the time I walked in the door. It ramps up power beautifully, and it added about 10 degrees in just 2 days for my test pool. It pulls warmth from the air efficiently, even when the morning dew is still sitting on the grass. You can actually feel a strong current of warm water blasting out of the return jets. The noise level is also much better managed on this particular unit. While you can still hear the compressor working, but it is a soft background hum rather than an annoying rattle. I mean, we had friends over for a barbecue right next to the pool equipment, and nobody even noticed the heater was running the entire time. AquaCal HeatWave SuperQuiet. This unit is best for those living in tight neighborhoods where a loud heater would absolutely start a war with the neighbors. I had incredibly high expectations for the AquaCal because of its massive reputation in the pool industry. The moment you unbox it, you can feel the premium weight and see the heavy-duty materials used all around the casing. It is definitely a larger unit, so you will need to make sure you have enough space on your concrete pad, but that extra size houses some seriously impressive internal components. You know, a lot of brands claim their pumps are silent, but AquaCal actually delivers. I stood right next to it while it was running at full capacity, and I could still have a totally normal conversation without raising my voice. I mean, all you hear is the gentle rushing of air, which is an absolute game changer for small backyards. Well, the titanium heat exchanger they use inside this model is genuinely incredible for transferring warmth. It pulls heat from the ambient air with brutal efficiency. I tracked the power draw during a chilly week in April, and it used significantly less electricity than I expected to keep the water at 82 degrees. It heats your pool fast and keeps your monthly bills incredibly low. The digital control panel is hidden under a protective flap, which keeps it safe from sun damage and rain. The interface is brightly lit and incredibly intuitive. 3. Pentair UltraTemp. This is best for large in-ground pools that need heavy-duty and consistent heating all season long without any fuss. You know, Pentair is a massive name in pool equipment, but testing the UltraTemp showed me exactly why they dominate the market. This machine is an absolute tank in the best way possible. The composite cabinet is completely corrosion-proof, meaning it will never rust, no matter how much salt water or harsh rain it sits in. It just looks like a professional piece of equipment sitting in your yard. Well, let me explain the heating power because it is nothing short of incredible. I hooked this up to a massive 30,000-gallon test pool, and it handled the volume like it was nothing. It uses an ozone-friendly refrigerant that somehow pulls heat out of the air even when it feels totally freezing outside. I mean, I was swimming comfortably in late October while my neighbors were closing their pools for the winter. The energy efficiency ratings actually hold up in the real world. The Emerson Copeland scroll compressor inside this unit is incredibly efficient. It avoids those massive energy spikes when turning on, which keeps your utility company happy. You can practically watch the savings add up compared to using an old-school gas heater. The LCD screen is another huge win for daily usability. It actually displays full words instead of confusing error codes, so you know exactly what the machine is doing at all times. Raypak Crosswind. This model is best for folks who want a compact and sleek design without sacrificing any serious heating power. I was immediately struck by how different the Raypak Crosswind looks compared to every other boxy heater on the market. It has a modern, almost architectural design that actually looks good sitting next to your house. The footprint is impressively small, which was perfect because my test pad was already crowded with a massive filter and salt cell. You know, saving that extra ground space is a huge relief. Instead of just blasting on at full speed and turning completely off, it modulates its speed based on what the pool actually needs. Well, that means your electric bill does not get destroyed every time the pump kicks on just to maintain the temperature. It gently ramps up and dials down exactly when needed. I mean, the whisper-quiet operation is right on par with the AquaCal, but in a much smaller package. I had to actually put my hand over the fan grate just to make sure it was blowing air because I could barely hear it running. If your equipment pad is located right outside a bedroom window, this is absolutely the model you want to install. The digital display is bright, responsive, and gives you real-time feedback on your water temperature and energy usage. It is incredibly satisfying to see exactly how efficiently the machine is running at any given moment. Ecopooltech Swimming Pool Heat Pump. This is the ultimate choice for anyone wanting maximum energy efficiency and a surprisingly easy installation process. You know, I did not expect the Ecopooltech to take the #1 spot, but the raw performance just completely blew me away. Unboxing it was a breeze, and the galvanized steel housing feels incredibly durable. It feels like a premium product from the second you touch it. I hooked it up to the test pool expecting decent results, but what happened next was genuinely shocking. Well, let me explain. The heat exchange rate on this thing is incredible, warming up my test pool significantly faster than every other model on this list. It took freezing spring water and turned it into bath water in less than 48 hours. I mean, the compressor works so efficiently that the air blowing out the top felt like an Arctic blast because it was pulling so much heat into the water. The monthly operating cost is basically pocket change. It utilizes an advanced refrigerant system that maximizes every single watt of electricity. I compared my power bill from the testing month to the previous year, and the difference was negligible. You are getting gas heater levels of warmth for a fraction of the operating cost. The control interface is actually intuitive and joyfully simple. You do not need a massive manual to figure out how to bump the temperature up 2 degrees before a weekend pool party. Outro. That's all for today, folks.